Blackheads arise if one has totally oily pores and skin. If no longer taken attention, blackheads can develop into zits. While hair follicles get blocked with dead skin and oil, it consequences in blackheads. Blackheads are a feature of zits, a common skin condition that involves lesions frequently known as pimples, spots, acne, whiteheads or blackheads. Blackheads are a particular sort of darkish acne lesion, so known as due to the fact they include oxidized melanin, the pigment made by using pores and skin cells known as melanocytes. Causes. The main reason of blackheads is oversecretion of oil. Different reasons are using of fried foods, sweets, and fats ingredients, improperly cleaned skin, overuse of cosmetic products, tension and strain, alcohol and caffeine, smoking. The key symptom of blackheads is tiny black bumps on the skin, commonly on the nose tip and forehead. Not like acne, blackheads are not painful. Cleanse your face with an excellent anti-zits face wash or an oil control cleanser that containing salicylic acid. It will get rid of the extra oil out of your skin surface, thereby get rid of blackheads. Exfoliate your face now with a gentle brush for you to get rid of the broken skin. Listen extra at the blackheads affected the area. Take steam therapy. It opens up the pores and makes the blackheads gentle. Now, take soft tissue paper. Put that piece with your forefinger on blackheads. Gently squeeze them out by pressing the affected location along with your forefingers. Don't push the blackhead too hard, otherwise, it can take extra time to heal. Now, put a pimples remedy or blemish treatment cream immediately before going to bed, which will get rid of the marks of the blackheads. Wash your face with a gentle oil control cleaner or an acne cleaner 2 times a day. Keep away from smoking and alcoholic beverages. Use oil cosmetics, foundation, lotion, and facial soap. Put off cosmetics before going to bed. Decrease eating of fatty foods, which include chocolates, fried ingredients, and junk meals. Include beta-carotene containing foods to your diet plan. Don't squeeze blackheads as it can cause scars.